Now you record. Okay. Not going through this little spiel again. Record. American side. Canadian side. Okay. These are the American Falls from the Canadian side. The little one to the far right is Bridal Veil. We're switching around over here to May. The Maid of the Mist is that boat. And those falls make a lot of mist, and they join with the Canadian Falls in the horseshoe. We'll see more of that later. Moving. See the birds flying? Look at the falls. That's the American side, from the Canadian side. Not a mist today because it's overcast and damp, and we're close to the falls. Okay, you hear the roar? That should be recording as well. Trying to get it perspective up here. Okay. Seagulls flying around. Look at the rabbits down there. Look at it on the rock. Look at the people on the American side. Bye, we get missed. Oh, we're getting missed. We are getting missed. Mist. Woo, wet. Cold. Hair wet. Nice. Oh, Lord, no. Bringing it around to the other falls. Here we're coming. Bridal Veil right there in the corner. Because of that separation of the land there between the falls. Woo. Gorgeous. Marvelous. All that good stuff. Oh, wow. Yeah, I want to use the other camera trying to get some stuff to do. I'm going to swing around to the other part of the fall. A lot of mist out here. Yeah, but just mist doesn't rain today. Did rain last night. Oh. Oh, God. So we swing around here to the other side. I'm not ready to put it down. That's it. The weight, that's the boat. Oh, here comes the other fall. Look. Bring it around to the other side here. 170 feet.
Its brim is 2,500 or 760 meters long.
760 meters. You didn't figure it out. I don't know meters.
Originally recorded at 43, Annie Taylor was in reality 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wood barrel and lived.
So glad to go.
A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was sent over the falls wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost on this very same spot by a man of this boat.
So we can get close shots, can't we?
Captures the internet.
Yes, we can. Look at that.
And Canada. Beneath that, the water plunges to a depth of 180 feet or 55 meters.
It goes down to 180 feet.
The water that flows over the falls comes from 4 of the 5 Great Lakes.
Ooh, 4 of the 5 Great Lakes.
The river to Lake Ontario.
Here's some more falls that we can't see from around the bend. For the horseshoe.
just to the right of the falls, but just behind the falls.
We got to pass back there. Oh my God. See? Comes all the way around like that. I think we're going to pass behind the falls. I can't see with that. Look at that. You getting enough of this, Steve? Okay, seagulls, we don't need you half covering over us. We don't need seagulls covering over us. Yeah. I don't know how much I got left on here. Not in the face, but get the back. Yeah. Wow, look. I think we're wetting up here. I'm not getting any pictures. Going right up to it. Look at it. Oh my. I didn't realize we were on the boat. We got on it. Still running. Okay. You don't need to go underneath this thing. Oh my God, we're going to go behind the fall. Can't really see the horseshoe from the mist. Oh, here we go. We got to go on behind the falls. Behind the falls. Looks like we're going into it. Can't really see the horseshoe, but I'm swinging around and around. When you get the horseshoe, too fast, I guess. Look at the rapids down here. Look how close we are. I'm going real close, very close. I'm narrating for the movie I'm making. This volume of water, this is fresh water. cold water. Okay, you got a drenched. Got drenched. Now that's we're leaving the falls now. Oh my God. Okay, you gonna be satisfied with this movie? What this blinking is on here. And also, are you ready to retire? Just retire. See the far right at elementary or I was there. I retired. And what is that? It's an electric company. This is the falls from the observation deck of the restaurant where we just ate. Okay, I just zoomed in. Trying to get the tape and plaque out. Look at that. All behind there, that's not the Niagara River. That's one of those lakes, Lake Erie or something. We'll go around over this way, and you gotta see fins. And they don't want you jumping. Okay. In the water. American side, Canadian side. Bridal Veil to the right. Piece of land dividing the falls. And the little one to the right is called Bridal Veil. The water below the falls is called the Niagara River. There are lots of bridges connecting Canada and the U.S. across the Niagara River. There's a big old casino over there. That's on the American side. We're going to one on the Canadian side. Look at that water back there. Just look. Look. Okay.
Had a huge impact in the geography and certainly the industry in this area. And we're heading now to the Welland Canal, and you can see that the creation of the canal is really responsible for a huge amount of income generating here for the transportation of goods and through the Great Lakes system.
Oh, it's recording.
You can
I didn't put it
enjoy
on
that
record.
view. We'll continue to head on down through the Vineyard Orchard County to the Welland Canal. All right.